Pepe is likely to gain 5.5% tomorrow, Gov Capital shows. To begin, let's check the current market development. Right now, Pepe has moved up by 4.7% in the past 24 hours and is holding around $0.50's $292. Let's get into what analysts expect today. The forecast from Gov Capital suggests we'll see $0.50's $309 by August 3, which means a rise of about 5.5% from now. Pepe might move up to $0.50's $296 according to Traders Union. That's roughly 0.9% up. Crypto predictions highlights it could edge downward to $0.50's $288, marking a drop close to 1.7%. A different projection from 30 rates sees Pepe dropping towards $0.50's $28, a decrease of about 4.4%. To finish, CoinLore indicates $0.50's $27 by tomorrow, a potential fall of 7.8%. This is the highest return estimate. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Let's move from the forecast to the numbers behind them. Based on the forecast we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a decrease of 7.8% to a rise of 5.5%, depending on the analyst. This means CoinLore stands at the top with 7.8% climb in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could earn between $9 and $78 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, Traders Union's forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct at 90.1%. Looking at the full set of 5 forecasts, I've worked out a combined scenario. With all forecasts combined, the consensus places Pepe near $0.50's $288. Here's the breakdown. Consensus calculations highlight a 1.5% loss in price. By the same percentage, your capital could likewise expand. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $15. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 87.1%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. Gov Capital expects strength on the upside. Traders Union describes the near-term path as bearish. The view from crypto predictions is that Pepe will remain stable. 30 rates emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Also, CoinLore expects the chart to tilt downward. The consensus forecast underscores a bullish path, indicating that Pepe is likely to move higher over the coming 3 days. Collectively, the majority of views highlight a bearish stance on Pepe. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. As a result, yesterday concluded with the price at $0.50's $278. The result showed that the majority of predictions matched reality. The most exact forecast belonged to Traders Union. Let's put everything in order. Only a single forecast matched the boundaries of yesterday's candle. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above zero, and Traders Union had the highest return of 3%. Here's the overall results table, showing how each forecast held up. As part of today's review, CoinLore posted 1.3% ROI and $0.7077 accuracy. See if you can spot which analyst handled it best this time. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between Pepe and a few others. Pepe remains below the leader as Graham shows 8.8% growth potential. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and a fuller comparison across many cryptocurrencies is already on my website. If you don't want to miss tomorrow's update, hit subscribe and stay ahead. Till next time!